I love watermelon. It is seriously one of the most perfect snacks on earth. Although somehow I almost always forget how much watermelon is actually in a watermelon. It's a lot. And if you don't have a lot of people to share it with, you are going to be eating watermelon constantly just to make sure it doesn't go bad. So here is a great way to use it a little bit differently than just snacking on it. I am adding in a couple tablespoons of fresh lime juice, some pepper and salt, which then you can kind of toss it together. And then basically I am lucky enough to have a contained mint garden. So I grabbed some fresh mint, which is also something that I usually have so much of that I'm welcoming any way to figure out a way to use it up. So we're chopping up some fresh mint, tossing it in, adding some feta cheese, and it is such a great salad. One thing I will say is it doesn't keep very well in the fridge because that feta gets a little funky. Enjoy.